Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn this one-click selection in Photoshop. Let's get started. To achieve the one-click selection, we need an image which is well focused on subject as well as sharp edges. I will show you some examples where this trick works, where it won't work. Watch till end to understand the full concept. Alright, select any selection tool from the toolbar. You will get the select and mask option. Then click on the select and mask option. Here, make sure that you have selected the quick selection tool. Otherwise, you will not get the select subject option. By selecting select subject option, Photoshop will do 80% of job for us. Here I am using Photoshop CC 2019. Now select the select subject option and have a look at the magic. Here you can see the result. By looking at the result, we can say that Photoshop has done 90% of job for us. Here we need to refine the edges. By using radius, smooth and feather, we can make adjustments however we want. For output, we have many options, but here I am selecting layer mask. Here you can see that layer with mask. Now have a look at another example. There is no change in procedure, but I will show you some more method to achieve the select subject option. First, have a look at the first option which we saw in previous example. By selecting selection tool from the toolbar, we can select any selection tool from the toolbar and selecting select and mask option. Make sure that you selected the quick selection tool. Then click on the select subject option. That's it. Here you can see the result. Now I will show you another method. I will delete the layer mask. We can select the subject without going inside select and mask option. For that, we need to select quick selection tool or magic wand tool. We can select any one of this tool. Now we will get the select subject option here itself. We don't need to go inside. Just click on the select subject option. The object will be selected here itself. You can see here. Now we can apply the layer mask and we can make adjustments however we want. Now have a look at this example. Here the subject is in focus but edges are blended with the background. So here our trick is not going to work. I will show you. You can see here. Here you can see that the subject is not completely selected because the edges are blended with the background. Photoshop is unable to identify the edges. Here we need to select the subject manually. That's it for today's tutorial. Next week we are going to learn this effect. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon to get notification so that you won't miss any content from our channel. That's it guys. Bye bye.